Hello, thanks for tuning in. My name is Chika. In this video, I'll be showing you how to go from your own beautiful natural hair to this. This is my braiding pattern. I have cornrows at an angle to my left pattern and also to my right pattern. And I have straight cornrows in the middle of my head. The main goal of this pattern is to leave as much hair as possible from your hairline to the beginning of the cornrow, so more like a brush. And now at the back of the head, you're going to do a zigzag. Zigzag pattern is quite tricky because you have to turn and twist your head and your hand, and it hurts. It requires patience and practice. My main reason for using the zigzag is to give my hair a neater look, and just in case the wind blows and my afro is shown, you won't be seeing cornrows, you'll just see my scalp. That's my main reason. You don't have to do it because it is tricky, but if you want to and you want a detailed tutorial, just tell me in the comment section and I'll get started on it. So now the ending of my cornrows, I get to tuck it in within itself. Put the hook in, put your hair in, and draw it out. I have a more detailed section of how to crochet in the video. So for this hair, you have to stretch it so that it's easier to split. So for just one of that mini bundle, I get to split it in 3 for the back of my head. Pull the hook in, open the latch, put the hair in, close the latch, pull the hair through, now you have a loop, then you pull the legs of the hair through it. You secure it by doing it twice. I'm going to do this again and slow it down so that you get it. And here I have to part it with my 2 fingers, like to help determine how wide they stay apart. To pull the legs of the hair through the loop, you do it twice to secure it, and that's it. It's that simple. So here I have just one bundle of the hair on my head, and now I'm to start my second pack. So this is my left parting. I want to close it up because I did not do the Y cornrow. So you just go through 2 cornrows instead of 1 this time. And then you put your hair in, close the latch, pull it through, put the legs of the hair through the loop. Do it twice to secure it. So to cover the knots that I've created there, I'm going to be creating an invisible knot later on. So now I'm doing the same for the middle parting to close it up so that there's no weird gap straight to the back of my head if you're looking from my face, like looking at my face, I mean. So now we're going to be doing the invisible method to cover up the knot I've created. So it's just the same as what I've been doing at the back, only difference is instead of taking 2 legs in, you take 1. You can pick any of the legs. You don't need a specific one. So you take that 1 leg and secure it twice. The thing to notice here is your crochet pin should be facing the parting that you want to disguise. It should be pointing towards the parting that you want to disguise, so that the leg that you leave behind will close the knot, will cover up the knot. One piece is divided into 6 instead of 3. And the closer I get to my hairline, the smaller the pieces become. At some point I divided the one piece into 8 to get really small pieces. That makes it blend really well with your hair. So at this point I'm using really small pieces. Here I'm doing the invisible method because it's close to the pattern that I want to create over there. You have the loop, you take in 1 leg, doesn't matter which leg, and then you secure it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I have just 1 pack of hair on my head right now, and I have just this part, a mini bundle left, I guess, and I have 3 different patterns for this hair, and I would be doing some trimming, but I cannot do it now because I'm very sleepy and I'm not at my optimal condition, I guess. So I will be trimming it when I wake up. So this is the final look. I have trimmed the hair and I have styled it as I want. It's on the side, I guess. Yeah, the left side. This is my left side part. Okay, so you can do lots of styles with this hair because it has as natural hairline as possible for crochet without leave outs. For the half up, half down hairstyle, you just go around your parting on each side. I'm going to use a scrunchie. I would say a hair tie, not necessarily a scrunchie. Just shape the bun. This hairstyle, the older it gets, the more natural it looks. My bun is too tall. It's all left to you of how you want to emphasize on this. You can also style this with a hair wrap. This is the hair tie. I folded it to get the shape, so I'm going to go in details for each hairstyle in the video that's coming up. Okay, so this is my this is my go-to hairstyle. I usually start with a hair clip. So I got this one off Amazon. Yeah, it came in a set of 3. This is the biggest in it, and the only downside is you might have to wait for a month for it to come in because it's not eligible for Amazon Prime, but it's so worth the wait. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And the lovely thing about it is it has the clip attached to flower is this way, so it makes it easier to I feel like a Hawaiian princess. Okay, so you can rock it like this with a flower clip or with pearl clips. So I also got this off Amazon. It's I'll leave the link in the description so you can get to it if you want to. So this is the end of the video. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe and leave your notification bell on so that you get notified when the video drops. So I have this video I would like to share with you guys, like the hairstyles you could rock with this hair. And yeah, I won't keep you waiting for long. Okay, I'm gonna drop it really soon. Okay, till then, have a nice day.